Hello everybody, how are you? I am Naresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classdata.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is 6. All of the following are characters of a process cost system except the system may use several work in process inventory accounts. B. Manufacturing costs are grouped by department rather than by job. C. The system's accumulated cost per job. The systems emphasize the periods rather than the times it taken to complete a jobs. The correct answer of the question is C. The system's accumulated cost per jobs. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classdata.com and find on the search sections. If you have any question to ask, there are now sections on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.